Hi everybody, and thank you for tuning into my channel. I am Sheree Denise. And I'm here today to talk about Poshmark. Poshmark is something new that I recently started doing when we all started together as a world dealing with this called Poshmark is a store, an app where you can offload the things that you may have. Now, if you're like me, an avid shopper or recovering avid shopper, then this video can help you, because I had and did not realize how much stuff I had and good stuff I had that other people would really want. Okay, so I downloaded the Poshmark app, and let me just kind of give a thumbs up to my girlfriend because she was the one that suggested it for me, and just to find out that it's something that I really enjoy doing, you know. So I just want to thank her. I want to thank you. Okay, I just want to thank her and say I appreciate you because she really put me on the Poshmark. So Poshmark. Now, I didn't realize how much stuff I really had laying around the house that I was not using, was not wearing, and just most of all did not need. Okay, between like Pink, Victoria's Secret, makeup. Yes, makeup. You can sell your makeup. Okay, cosmetic jewelry and shoes and all kind of stuff that we find ourselves holding on to when we know it's something that we probably could have got rid of last season and we just said it was gonna come back around. That was me. Yeah. But I'm here to tell you that you can get rid of it on Poshmark and also gain a return in the same transaction. Gotcha. So since I started, and I want to say it was maybe the first week of April, I just kind of went around the house and went down to storage and just kind of grabbed everything that I knew that I just was not in love with, which was hard, but I wasn't in love with it. So I bagged up about 2 garbage bags full of stuff. And at this point, here now, mid-May, I want to say I've sold maybe 16 items with Poshmark so far. It's so helpful because, like I said, you know, you take these, and then another thing that I realized with Poshmark is that you have like so many other avenues that you can go down. Like you have a Plato's Closet and different secondhand stores that will take your items, you know, and maybe give you something back for them. Plato's is one of them. And I noticed that I was taking a lot of stuff to Plato's prior before this happened, and I wasn't really getting at least what I thought that I could get back for these items. And I'm sure people, most of you that have gone down to Plato's Closet to offload some of your items, you know that you don't get a lot of money back, and they're not taking it if they don't feel as if it's worth it, or it's in demand, you know, which I can understand, I guess. But for me, it just wasn't working. So Poshmark is my go-to right now. And I'm saying that it can be something so simple that you can do too, to just bring in another income, you know, during the time that we're all just really not working. Okay, because right now it's about the hustle. How you gonna get your hustle on right now? Okay, so this is one of my avenues that I'm using right now to just bring in some extra cash. And in another video I'll post, you know, and just kind of go and walk you guys through the process of doing a Poshmark sale. But so far, so good. I have absolutely nothing but good things to say about Poshmark. I love it. It's probably something that I'll continue to use to just get rid of the things that I have here in the house. And like I said, you know, they take cosmetics, they take jewelry, they take shoes, clothing, house items that you may want to get rid of. You know, a old set of tablecloths, or a napkin wear, or whatever the case, you can get rid of it. And this is not just a thing for ladies, guys. It's for you too, okay? It's for you too. I know y'all got at least 2-3 extra pair of Jordans sitting around that you could probably sell, that you probably just go toss out to the garage or toss out to the trash next week. Clean them up. You can sell them, okay? So that's what this video is about. You can offload the things that you have and get some money back in return. And I'm all for that. So thank you so much for tuning into my video. Like I said, I got some new videos coming, and I'm going to just show you guys how to walk through the process of doing it and how easy it is. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.